In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Slack channel members to CSV. This is especially useful if you're doing an access review, syncing a channel roster with another tool, or simply keeping an offline record of who belongs to a specific Slack channel. In 2026, Slack makes it fairly easy to export broader workspace data if you have the right permissions, but pulling members from one single channel usually takes a more manual approach. In this walkthrough, I'll show you two practical methods that follow Slack's interface closely and help you get that list into a clean spreadsheet. Let's start with the quick native copy and paste method, which requires no coding at all. Open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser, then go directly to the channel you want to export. In the top right area of the channel, click the member avatars or the channel details icon to open the side panel. Once that panel appears, select the members section so the full member list is visible. Now click the very first name in the list. Hold down Shift, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click the last visible member entry. If the selection highlights properly, copy it using your standard keyboard shortcut. Then open a blank Google Sheet or Excel file, click into cell A1 and paste. In many cases, Slack formats the copied member data in a way that drops neatly into rows. From there, simply use the download or save option to export the sheet as a CSV file. This method is fast and convenient, especially if you just need names, display labels, or visible roles. If you need a more precise export, especially for larger channels, the browser console method is cleaner and more reliable. Open Slack in your web browser, go to the target channel, and once again, open the members panel on the right side. Then right-click anywhere in that area and choose Inspect, or use the browser shortcut to open Developer Tools. When the Developer panel opens, switch to the Console tab. At this point, paste the extraction script provided in your instructions directly into the console and run it. The script scans the visible member list, collects each member's name and role information, builds that into CSV format, and then automatically triggers a file download. The downloaded file will be saved as a CSV, making it ready to open in Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet app you prefer. As a final tip, make sure the full member list is loaded on screen before